Hey guys, Engineer Pat 5290 with a few little recent pickups. I'm going to start off with this little guy. This is a RFMP box car that's made by Lifelike. As you can see, it doesn't have any trucks on it. I have parts orders for this, and that's going to be one of the next freight cars to go into service. Next are these two. I finally decided to do an Amtrak set in N scale. The first one is a Bachmann observation car, and as you can see, the inside of this car is beautifully done. And this is a Bachmann, as a matter of fact. You get to see the inside of the seats and everything. Looks very cool. And then the next one is a Model Power observation car. They put the seats on the top. I got a friend of mine who's got a couple of these little cars, and these are pretty cool to run. Even though the sizes are a little bit different, I'll put them up side by side, they actually look pretty cool together. I unboxed them and did their pre-inspections, and these are going to need some work. The wheels are shot on both of these cars. The RFMP box car, the parts are coming for that. That's just 2 trucks and it's done. So I'm going to try to get these converted over to Knuckles and put some better equipment on it, because I'm going to try to do an Amtrak set that's got different cars with the different schemes on them from Amtrak. That's going to be the initial goal, but of course, my mind might change a little bit. But these are the restoration products that I currently have going on. I recently got these 3 pieces, and this is some things I'm going to be working on. So the RFMP car, the previous owner added some additional weight to it, which is good. The one thing I have to do is put brand new trucks on it when they come in. So these are going to get new tooling on there as far as rolling, and hopefully at some point I'll be able to find a little Amtrak engine to pull the train. So looking forward to working with the Amtrak set. That will be a working in progress. The RFMP car will be in service hopefully in the next week or 2 once parts come in. So I got some stuff coming. So anyway, guys, it's a little N-scale update. I hope you all enjoyed my previous, my latest premiere. As a matter of fact, if you have not looked at it, please remember to do that. And but that's pretty much the update. So anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching.